Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Nginx reverse proxy with Docker on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect to the server. Log in with your username and password. Ensure that Docker is installed on your VPS. Run the command docker version to check the Docker installation. If Docker is not installed, follow the official Docker installation guide for your OS. Once Docker is set up, create a new directory for your Nginx configuration files. Use the command Nginx reverse proxy to create the directory. Navigate into the newly created directory with cd Nginx reverse proxy. Create a new configuration file for Nginx. Use your preferred text editor, for example nginx.conf. Inside this file, begin defining your server block. Specify the listening port, usually 80 for HTTP traffic. Add the server name, which should match your domain name or IP address. Define the location block for proxy_pass. Set the proxy_pass directive to the backend service you want to connect to. Save and exit the text editor. Next, create a Docker Compose file. Run nano docker compose.yml to start editing the compose file. Define the version at the top of the file. Specify the services that will be involved. Add the Nginx service and set the image to Nginx latest. Map the ports by setting 80:80. Use a volumes section to mount your Nginx config file. Point to ./nginx.conf on the host and /etc/nginx/confd/default.conf in the container. Save and exit the text editor once more. To start the Nginx reverse proxy, run docker compose upd. Verify that the container is running by executing docker ps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.